Hello guys, welcome to my channel Dreamers Code, and in today's video we are going to make a beautiful and simple card in HTML and CSS. So this is the card which we are going to make in today's video. So let's start creating it. So first we'll take a div and we'll add a class to it, and that will be card. Then we want an image, so we'll use the image tag, and here in our folder we have a project folder that is card, and inside that we have images folder where all our images are located which we are going to use. So we'll provide the path, that is images / and image name, that is pic1, and we'll also give some alternate text, that is images1. So let's save this. So this is our image, but it is quite big, so we will set the height and width. So we'll use the height attribute, and height will be 140 pixel. Then width will be 140 pixels. So let's save this. Then we want the name, designation and some content. So for that we'll use the heading element h4, and we'll give the name John Doe. Next we'll take h6 heading element, and we'll give the designation, that is web developer. Then we'll take the paragraph element, and we'll add some dummy text to it. Next we want a button, so we'll use the anchor tag for a link button, and here we'll add read more. So this is the text and all the content we need for our card. Then next we'll do the styling, so we'll use the style element, and inside that first we'll make the padding and margin of our body to 0. So we'll make padding 0 pixels and margin, that will be 0 pixels. Then box sizing will be border box. Next we'll add the class selector of our div, that is card. So dot card, and we'll set the height will be 300 pixels. Then width will be 200 pixels. Then we'll add some border to it, and this will be temporary, so 2 pixel solid black. Okay, so let's save this. So this is our card. So for now we'll make it in center, so we'll use margin auto. So now it is in center, so when I maximize it, so it is in center. Then we'll also add some margin from top, so we'll take 20 pixels. Then we'll add the background color, and background color will be #4071 F4. So this is the background color of our card, and the text color will be white. So this is our text color. So for card it's okay. Then next we'll go to our image, so we'll take the image selector, and for image we'll make border radius, that will be 50%, and then margin from left, that will be 30 pixels. So let's save this. Then margin from top, and that will be 10 pixels. Then we'll add some border to it, and border will be 2 pixel solid white. So let's save this. Then next we'll take h4 selector, and text align will be center, and font size will be 20 pixel. Then H6 selector, so we'll take text align center, and then font size, and font size will be 13 pixels. Then font style, and font style will be italic, and margin from bottom, will give some margin from bottom, for example 3 pixel. So let's save this. Okay, then we'll take our paragraph selector, and for paragraph text align, and it will be center, and then font size will be 12 pixels, and font style italic, and margin from bottom will be 16 pixels. So let's save this. Then next we'll style to our button. So we'll take the anchor tag, that is anchor A selector, and text decoration will be none. So let's save this. Then background color, and background color will be white, and color of the text will be this one. Okay, then padding 8 pixels, and border radius, and border radius will be 5 pixel. Okay, then margin from left will be 50 pixels. Okay, so we'll also give border radius to our card. So here we'll add the border radius and 5 pixel. So let's save this, and we'll remove the border now. So this is our card. Then next we'll add some font family. So we'll go to Google Fonts, and so we'll maximize this. So the Poppins regular 400, it is already selected. So we'll just copy this code, and we'll paste it here, and inside this we'll add the font family, and that will be Poppins, sans serif. So now you can see the font has changed. Okay, then next we'll copy this div 2 more times. Okay, then here we'll set the pic 3, and alternate text will be image 3, and the name will be Antonio, and here we'll change to pic 2, image 2, and the name will be Sarah. So let's save this. So now you can see, now we have 3 cards and we want them in the same row. So for that we'll go to cards, and from here we'll remove this margin auto, and we'll add float left, and we'll also add some margin, and margin from left, for example 13%. So let's save this. So when we maximize, you can see we have these 3 cards. So that's it guys for this lecture. And if you are new to HTML and if you want to learn it from beginning, so I also have a video on that HTML tutorial for beginners and the link is given in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Dreamers Code. It will take just a moment to subscribe a channel, but it will mean a lot to me.